How to fix images not loading in Chrome on Windows. To fix images not loading in Chrome on Windows, try 1. Enable sites can show images in the privacy and security pane. 2. Enable the sites can use JavaScript option. 3. Open the website in Chrome incognito mode. Then check installed extensions one by one. 4. Rename Chrome's default folder at %localapp.a %google/chrome/user data folder. 5. Clear existing caches and cookies in Chrome. 6. Update Google Chrome. Seven. Reset Google Chrome.